Hello everyone, I hope you are doing fine. So welcome to this new tutorial on Python, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make a text to speech converter in just 4 lines of Python code. It's very simple. You just have to use one library, that is text to speech library, and using that you can convert any of your text directly to a speech in just 4 lines of code. So without wasting much time, let me show you how we can do that. So first of all, you need that library. I'm assuming that you have Python already configured on your system. If you don't know how to do that, I will make a separate video for that. But for now, I'm assuming that every one of you have Python configured in your system. So I'll just quickly show you how to install that package into your system. So you can just type cmd in the search menu and open the command prompt, and you can type the command pip install, and you can give here the library name, that is pyttsx3. It is Python text to speech 3, and hit enter. For me, the library is already installed, so I think it will show that requirements already satisfied. But for every one of you who do not have this library, you will be able to install it. So for me, you can see that there is a message that requirements already satisfied. So just using this command pip install pyttsx3, you can install this library. And now just directly jump to the coding part and see how we can do it. So I'll open my IDE. This is Spider. I like to use this. You can use any of the IDE like PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook, anything that you like. So first of all, we need to import that library. So we can use import. I'm sorry. Okay. So it's import pyttsx3. So this library will import, and then we will create an object to this library. So we can name the object anything we want. I'm naming it speak for now. So pyttsx, and it has an init method within it that is used to initialize the object. So we are done with this. Now using this object we can convert any text to speech. So the function that can help us to do so is this speak.say. We have created an object speak for this class or library, whatever you want to call it, and using this object we are calling the say method inside this library, and we can pass a string to it that we need to convert into speech. So I'll pass hey, I can speak. So now one more line you need to write here, speak dot run and wait. It will allow your program to completely convert this text into speech and wait till that time. So using these 4 lines of code, I think we will be able to convert this text to speech. Let us test it by running the code. Oh, there is some error. I think pyttsx is not defined. Oh sorry, I missed a 3 over here, so we'll just correct it.
Hey, I can speak.
So I'll run it once again so that you people can hear it.
Hey, I can speak.
So as you can see, we are successfully able to convert our text into speech just by using 4 lines of Python code. So this was just the basic how to use this library. In the next tutorial, I'll let you know how to make a complete audiobook out of a PDF just using this library. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for now. Keep supporting.